What's going on, guys? Jordan here. Beginning of April, it's finally starting to get somewhat warm here in Wisconsin. I think this is the first day we hit above 60 degrees. But gonna hit up the Wisconsin River in Nekoosa. Hopefully chase some walleyes down. I think pretty soon they're gonna start moving up river and spawning, or they should be. Probably not quite yet, but I've heard reports that a lot of guys are catching some shorter ones, shorter walleyes, males, but probably not the bigger females quite yet. But maybe we'll have a little bit of luck today and catch some bigger ones too, you don't know. But yeah, stay tuned and we'll see how it goes. Just a pig. Feels better than the last one. It's not big, but yeah, just kidding. It's really not better than the last one. Yeah, probably the same one. Probably got a hook in them already. Yeah, I don't know yet. Hold on. Nobody. Little guy. Yeah, I think this one's smaller than the last one. There's one. Okay, this one, I'm not saying it's big, it just might be. Maybe not.
12.
If that. Alright, at least he didn't swallow it this time. Not quite what we're after, but hey, at least we're catching something. I give him a 11 maybe, 11, 12. Better check just to be safe. Eleven right on the nuts. Yeah. Sooner or later, might get a keeper. What was that? No. Shit. That was a hit. This one like just, I mean, I just got it in. I was like, oh, it must still be settling in. No. Oh, I think this might be my biggest one of the day. 13 and a half. Yeah. Just curious how big you are anyways. About 12 and a half.